Hello everyone, we're back with another video from Lexical Pidgin, and today we're going to be talking about the third person pronoun. In our last video, we saw John introducing himself and he talked about soccer and said, I watch it every day. And then it was translated as, I dey watch am every day. But we were not familiar with the word am. So today we're going to be talking about third person pronoun. The third person pronoun is basically how you would refer to the object of a sentence, like it, him, her, me, you, and all of that. In Pidgin, this would be me, you, them, and the rest of it. I realized that in the last videos, I have been missing the plural of you, which is una. I'm sorry about that, and I have included it here. So, how would you say it is for me? We already know that it is na in Pidgin, and considering our charts, me is still me when it comes to the third person pronoun. So it is for me would be na for me. Easy peasy. This in Pidgin would be I dey watch am every day. In Pidgin, I watch would already be I dey watch because it states, and this is the state of a person that can change. If you don't understand that, please look at our last video right here. I watch it every day would be I dey watch am every day. It is the object of the sentence, and so according to our chart right here, that would be am. So I watch it every day would be I dey watch am every day. Today we're going to be talking about the verb can. Now, can is an auxiliary verb, which means that it is second to the main verb. So you say I can sing. Sing is the main verb. I can is just auxiliary. In Pidgin, can is fit. There's another word that is used synonymously with fit, but I'll tell us at the end of the video and I'll explain why. One thing we should remember in Pidgin is that verbs are not conjugated. I say this almost every time in all the videos because it's important that we understand that once you know what the verb is, that's it. You just need to know how to say the verb. So the way in our last videos, to have is get. So I have a ball will be I get ball. Remember, we ditched the article. Verbs are not conjugated. So the verb can would be fit, and the table would be this. So it's already easy for you to know how to say I can, we can, they can. It would just be fit all through. Let's take a few exercises. How do you say I can do it? Now this is combining the verb can that we have learned and it, which is the object of the sentence, which is a third person pronoun. According to our chart, I can is I fit, and remember, according to the third person pronoun, it is am. So how do you say I can do it? It will be I fit do am. Simple. Now how do you say I can do it for you? Now the you here would be in plural. Imagine that you're in front of a board of directors in Nigeria and you want to tell them I can do this project for you. So the you there would be plural. How do you say it? I fit do am for now. Because I can is I fit. I can do will be I fit do, of course, and I can do it. It is the object, so I fit do am. And for you, you now is plural and it's the object of the sentence again, so I fit do am for Ona. Easy peasy. Now, how do you say he has a gift for her? If you do not remember how to use the verb to have, please refer to that video about the verb to have. He has a gift for her would be he gets gift for him. Easy peasy. Remember that her is am as the object of the sentence, so it would be he gets gift for him. Now how do you say we can sing? We can sing would be we fit sing, but you can also say we sabi sing. Remember at the start of the video I said that there is another word that is used synonymously with fit, and that's sabi. So we use sabi to quantify the intensity of how well someone can do something. So when you say we can sing, you can say we fit sing. But if you want to say like we can really sing, like we can really sing, it would be we sabi sing. So sabi is like, oh my god, you can do it so well. So for someone who plays soccer, you can say, oh my god, Ronaldo sabi ball, like he's sabi am. That means he's so good at it. Now, how do you say we have to buy a gift for her? That's the homework for today. We have to buy a gift for her. Someone is getting married, your friend, and you're talking to a group of your friends, and you're like, we have to buy a gift for her. You should be able to answer this. It's very easy. For now, it's bye from Lexical Pidgin.